Hi guys, Akshay here. In this video, I'm going to share some tips on Excel sheets or tabs. First tip, whenever we want to create duplicate sheet, we right click on the sheet name and select move or copy. Tick create a copy, move to end. But very few people know that you can simply hold Ctrl key and move the sheet using left mouse button like this, and copy will be created of that sheet wherever you want. Isn't that amazing? Second tip, to quickly move between sheets, use shortcut Control page down or Control page up. See, like this. It saves a lot of time. Third tip, if you want to make changes to multiple sheets at once, then first you have to select sheets using Control plus left mouse button. For example, I want to write month in this cell C1 in all selected sheets. So all I have to do is type month in C1 like this. As you can see, the change is reflected in all selected sheets. To remove this selection, just right click and select ungroup sheets. If you want to select all sheets, then you can directly right click here and press select all sheets. Make sure you always ungroup sheets after making necessary changes. Fourth tip, right click here to see list of all sheets in workbook. Imagine how useful is this when you have more than 10 sheets. Just double click on any sheet to open it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.